Are you excited to be here? Yeah. Sign, what does that sign say?
It says number 1 on my bucket list, one-on-one.
I got tickets, we're going to the game right now. I'm gonna be super excited. Got a ride, got Uber coming to pick me up right now. Hi, James.
Hi, how's it going?
Hey man, it's a great day. Thanks so much for grabbing me. I do appreciate it, bro. How are you, man? Kings game at 5, so I'm stopping here at the Sleek Wax Bar right now. It's gonna be nice, it's gonna be exciting. I'm really excited. What's up, Paige? How are you? Pull all the hairs out of your nose, boom, with wax. Like, just buy one shirt right now, real quick, before I go. Just a shirt. We'll see if there's anything here. One small shirt will fit. All right. Okay, just a small black and white V-neck. Shreds, bro. Who said intermittent fasting doesn't work? All those shirts are too big. They just aren't gonna fit. The V, it's just not gonna work. Nothing fits. The whole store, nothing will fit. That's just the way it's gonna be. I'm gonna stick with this American Apparel. Exactly 4:34. Gotta be there at 5. I'm walking. Time to go. Doing about 16 blocks right now from 20th and K down to 5th and L Street. That's gonna be the exact route. What you do makes a difference, and you'll have to decide what kind of difference you want to make.
I see the real reasons why it's over my head. It seems when clear mistakes it's hold, our whole world is gonna break. It's crumbling so easily. You are the only one I want you to know, who really got under my skin. So if I dare to try, I dare. I prove to you it's not a waste, and this is not our last goodbye.
Always be filming. One of the things when people stop you, when people see you, if you want to have a pleasing, positive personality, is pointing out things that you admire about someone right off the bat.
Well, those are over this, 'cause I got better places to go. Within out of my head, you see, I wanna take a taste, and so far it lights the chambers that are burning me like gasoline. But you
Almost looks real. Here after 5:10 or so. Now I'm supposed to enter this private entrance on 660J. Here we are. Actually open. The stadium is outdoor. It has an open outdoor facility. filled up the city a lot.
When I see a rainbow bleeding out of the sun, when I feel my adrenaline before it's already begun, and I tried to tell you, but you never listen. But it all pours out of me. Like a waterfall.
Being here at the Golden One Center still feels like a dream. It doesn't even feel real yet. 99 to 2002, my physical office, my physical workplace was right inside of this building. There was a Macy's here. There was a Macy's furniture store. I worked right here and I lived 2 blocks away. Walking to work every day, I always felt the vibration, the connection with the city. I could feel something coming in the vibrational, in the ether, as Napoleon Hill would say. But now to have the opportunity to even get season tickets to the game, I mean, it's just incredible. I just want to just say how amazing this experience is. It doesn't feel real. It's almost literally like a dream still to me. Congratulations to everyone in Sacramento, to the season ticket holders, to the fans, anyone who sees this video, just for having hope and having a vision to getting this done. The guys who were part of it, the hard workers that worked all night, I mean, making all the noise, the construction worker. We appreciate all of you. You know, the vision of Kevin Johnson and Jeff Dorso and the NBA and the whole crew, just the true gratitude